I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello there. In this video, I will explain how to set up Agoda. First, navigate to agoda.com and locate the List Your Place option to start your registration. You will then choose your property type, selecting either home or hotel, and confirm these details. Next, create your new account by providing your name, email address, and a secure password that is at least 8 characters long. This initial step is quick and sets the foundation for your listing. Once your account is ready, it is time to detail your property. Begin by accurately specifying your property's location and listing at least 3 key facilities or amenities. Next, define your room types, including bed configurations and the maximum number of guests each can accommodate. High-quality visuals are crucial, so upload a minimum of 3 high-resolution photos of your property and at least 1 photo for each room type. These images help attract potential guests. Now let's focus on pricing and availability. You will set your nightly rates, which can vary by room type and include options for discounts. It is important to keep your availability calendar updated, blocking off any dates your property is not available to avoid overbookings. Finally, clearly define your booking and payment policies, such as check-in and check-out times, and your cancellation terms. Transparency here ensures a smooth guest experience. The final step is to thoroughly review your listing. Double-check all property information, uploaded photos, set rates, and define policies to ensure everything is accurate. Once satisfied, confirm your agreement to Agoda's global terms and conditions to finalize your registration. After submission, your property listing will enter a verification process by Agoda's system, which usually takes up to 72 hours before it becomes live and visible to millions of travelers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.